Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I got a quick trick to add mockup to multiple screen in just one click. So what we need to do is simply just select all the frames that you want to convert it to a mockup and then just right click on this one and then plugins and then a little bit mockup. So if you don't find it here, you can just go to the manage plugins and then just type maybe just mockup. You'll find it here, a little bit mockup. Okay. So then you can click on this drop down and then you'll get two options here, that is the add light frames and add dark frames. So I would like to add the dark frame. Okay. So just click on this one and yeah, that's done. So let me know if you found this trick helpful and don't forget to like and also subscribe for more tips. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.